before taking help of the software to know whether it's who is controlling the market and who is stronger, is it a buyer or is it a seller, one important question you have to answer, my dear friends. Can you build order book? Just pause this video and give me your answer. Yes. Now let's see my answer. Yes, definitely we can build order book. Now what do I mean by order book? That is very important, right? If you don't know what is order book, let me explain you. My dear friends, look at this. So the upper boundary, which is marked in red color, that's a resistance, and the lower one is support, which is marked in green color. Now whenever price goes to resistance, what do you expect? You expect price to respect that resistance and come down. And whenever you expect price to touch the support, what do you expect? Do you expect a bounce? Yes. Once it just hits supports and you expect again price go back to resistance. This is what we all do. If not in intraday, this is what happens most of the time, right? Yes. Now tell me, my dear friends, why price is respecting resistance and coming down, and why price is respecting support and again going back to resistance. So just pause this video and write down your answers. I repeat again, please follow my guidelines. Pause this video and write down your answers. I trust you have followed my guidelines. Now look at my answers, my dear friends. Look at here. Look at this graph and just cross verify your answers. So whenever price goes to resistance, if that is a big resistance, good resistance, and I always expect limit sell orders just below resistance, and I always expect limit buy orders at a good support, right? This is how markets work. Do you agree? Yes. Apart from these two answers, do you have any other answer? Now let me show you my answers. Look at this. So above resistance, you can expect market buy orders, and below support, you can expect market sell orders. Am I right? Yes. So why I am expecting market buy orders above resistance and market sell orders below resistance? Let me take example of resistance. Whenever a resistance is crossed, you people think the price is going to go higher immediately, like 1% or 2% more you expect whenever some resistance is taken out. That is why you buy at a, through an aggressive order, right? That's why you buy through market order, hoping for a bigger targets, right? So apart from these orders, market buy orders and limit sell orders at a resistance, can you see any kind of orders at that place? Pause this video and write down your answers. Okay, now let me tell you my answer. Look at here. So apart from market buy orders above resistance, you can expect stop loss buy orders. What's the word? Stop loss buy order. So whenever a resistance is taken out, there are two orders: fresh buying and stop loss buy orders. New business and the old business, right? So let us say you have shorted here. Once the resistance is taken out, you might cover that trade, and that trade is going to be stop loss buy order. And let us say your friend who is looking to buy, if he initiate a trade, then it is always going to be a fresh buy order, right? So this is old business, this is new business. So when these two order matches, and whenever you see more number of orders from fresh buying, definitely markets will continue to go higher, right? Now my dear friends, to understand the order flow analysis in detail and to become a master on order flow analysis and to be a pro trader using order flow analysis, this looks very easy, but you have to put a lot of efforts to understand this concept. Then only you can understand order flow in detail. Okay, this is like a ocean. This is like a ocean. You cannot take all the water at once. Okay, you have to take it sip by sip. Okay, now I will give you some homework. So this is for your betterment understanding of order flow analysis. Let me tell you what is the homework. So list out the reference levels where you expect buy orders and the sell orders. I mean to say limit orders and aggressive orders. List out all those references on a daily chart, on an intraday chart. Okay, so do it on a general basis. Okay, so do it for at least 15 charts. Okay, so take any chart in that on a daily time frame and intraday time frame. Daily time frame, open daily chart. Intraday time frame, open 30 minutes chart. Now try to mark out for at least last 1 week where you could have expected limit orders, limit buy order and aggressive buy order, and open the same chart. Write down where you could have expected limit and aggressive sell order. Okay, if you can understand this concept, then whatever I am going to talk in coming days, definitely you will understand it better. Okay, so take your own time, do it with the honest efforts. Okay, just open a chart. You can mark that particular level and write down there only whether you expected what kind of order. Is it limit buying or limit selling, or was that aggressive buying and aggressive selling? Okay, fine. So you can submit your homework in the discussion tab itself. Attach your word document or whatever the file you can attach in the website under the discussion tab. Okay, fine. All the best. Always put honest efforts. Thank you.